This is not soundproofing, but it is sound echo bouncing protection. What I am about to share with you is how I use this acoustic foam to accomplish sound bounce and improve the background that I use for the look of my set by moving around the acoustic foam panels, and how you can avoid pasting these panels onto your studio walls. You can save your walls by doing this, by using this idea. Now, you don't need to do all the rigging that I do, but you more than likely will need some kind of acoustic foam walls to assist you in the bouncing of the audio, but you will more than likely need some help in controlling the bounce of the sound. So you will probably find that this clip will help you, and at the end of this video you will find another couple videos that may help you with your success on accomplishing the sound problems you run into. Like I said before, this is not a soundproofing idea. This is acoustic foam to avoid the bounce of the audio of the sound that you get in your studio without any acoustic foam on your walls, or any kind of protection like rugs or anything like that. They help too. What I want to do is show you where I store these and what it is. Now here is these are 24 inches. Two feet. Well, they're supposed to be 24s. And, you know, that's what they are, 24 inches. And down there, 24. Now this one here, I have special cut. It's handy to have a short one like this around. So I'm going to set it over here. And this next one, my favorite, I like the color on this one. So, slide that over here. Let's just set that there for now. And this one is a little bit wider. I got 2 feet there, 2 feet there, 2. So that's 2, 4, 6 feet high. So you can see how high my ceiling is. This is 6 feet. So this one, and then I got this. I have this hooked up on sliders right up here. You can see how I have it made fast. The slider goes the whole way over here. Let me move this back in here and I'll show you how that works. I think I will. And these been on, oh my, long time, baby, long time. Many, many years. So I'll show you a video at the end of this one, how I glued these fast and what it's all about. And this here will slide the whole way over like this. So I set this over here out of the road so you can see what I got going on. Now I can put this right up to here. So I can sit right here and have the brick wall and this wall back here, which is real nice. I really love this. I love the brick too. I love this. And this you'll see. You can see how it moves. It's just up against the wall. And that's hanging on a pipe like this. I have a pipe here close to the wall, so that hangs decent. Has a real nice look to it. Authentic look. And At this point, I'm going to pan over here a little bit, show you this whole corner. Pan over and show you that. The brick wall button up against the wood wall, which you can't see now because I have that set in there. And then I have it the whole way around there. And it covers up the rest of the room. Let me slide that back over there. And I'm going to push that the whole way up as far as it goes. And there you have that. I got a light up in this corner. There's a light up there I have just to show this stuff. And this one I have. Now the unique thing about these, when my daylight windows, the light's coming in there, I get certain glare at places. So I'll take one of these, either this one or this 2-footer, depends. Usually I think I use this bigger one because it covers more of the area for the light over along that wall. So I'll take this and put it back in the storage area. And behind that, there's just enough room behind that from what I have on the other. And this one is rather big. It's pretty nice. Pretty nice to have stuff like this. We can move it around. It's really light. These are 1 foot, 2, 3, 4 foot across. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 down. And I'll set that in there. And like I say at the end of this video, I'll show you how I made these. Matter of fact, I'll show you what the backside looks like here in a minute, as soon as I put these stored back in here. And like I say, these been on a long time too. I got this set first. And there's several functions of doing it this way. You can move it around, change your set around. You probably can't hear me, but I can use it for a demo. What I do, I'll do a voiceover. Get that in there like that, and there like that. And this one will be, now this is a foam board, very light. Very light. And it's tough enough. I've seen some people use cardboard. Not very many people even use this idea. But once you make one or two of these, it eliminates a whole bunch of stuff. You don't stick them up against the wall. You have the wall that moves around to wherever you need it. You have access to it. Okay. And you can leave it set wherever. As you can see, that room there, don't see it anymore. You understand what I'm saying? You can cover your junk up. Use it to cover. I don't like the way I get glare off of that. So let's see what I got here. Maybe I can turn that off here on one of these. There it is. Okay. To assist you in finding these foam panels, I'm going to put a link in the description, or several links probably, so you can find these panels and you can read up on them. On Amazon, you can see what they consist of, how you can use these panels to benefit your needs. So I want to thank you for patiently watching this video. Please subscribe. You don't have to, but you don't want to miss anything. So go ahead and subscribe and at least give a thumbs up. If you care to, you can give a thumbs down. I don't care. And comment as well. Let me know how I'm doing.